Hi guys. Today we will be discussing the snap that happened on the 6th January. So we will be discussing quant memory based all the questions. There were 20 questions of quants in snap. So let's begin with it. And before that, let me tell you, this session will be really going to helpful for those who will be attempting their snap on 9th of Jan, as well as for those who had attempted it on 6th January to tally their answers. Okay, so let's begin. I am Anup Ghagre. Okay, so let's see the first question. And yes, before that, I would also like to tell that I'll be solving the questions that how I solved in the examination hall. And after that, after we solve all the 20 questions, we will see how to look all of them technically. Okay, so let's begin with it. So this was your first question. Okay. Uh, a simple interest and compound interest based question. A sum of Indian rupees 15,000 is put on a compound interest. This sum becomes 2 times in 5 years at this rate. What would be the original sum become after 20 years? So 15,000 जो है आपके वो 5 साल में डबल हो रहा है. ओके एंड 20 ईयर्स बोला है. सो 5 ईयर की कितनी साइकिल चलेगी 20 में? 4. ठीक है. एंड 15,000 5 साल में हो रहा है 30,000. ठीक है. फर्स्ट साइकिल में 30,000, सेकंड साइकिल में 30 का 60, 60 का 120 एंड 120 का 240. सो देयर विल बी 2,40,000. सो आंसर ऑप्शन बी. You don't really need to use pen for this. Okay, let's move to the second one. A sum of, again a simple interest compound interest question. A sum of Indian rupees 27800 is invested for 2 years in two different schemes, both on simple interest. So simple interest was there. The rate of interest are 14 and 11% in the first and the second scheme respectively. The total interest after 2 years is 7016. What sum was invested in the second scheme? Okay, so second scheme was giving you 11% return. We know that simple interest was there. So what I did was, ये 7,016 दिख रहा है. So I took it as only 7, and this I approximated at 28. So this will be 1 by 4, that is 25%. This was the overall return, but the actual value would be more than 25% because this number is less than 28,000. Okay, so you can use a mixture and alligation in this 14 and 11 for 2 years. So 11 will become 22 and 14 will become 28, and the interest you got was more than 25. Okay, so you will get less than 3 year, 3 से थोड़ा कम, और यहाँ पर 3 से थोड़ा ज्यादा. Okay, so the ratio in which this was your second scheme, because it was giving 11% per annum, so in 2 years it gave 22%. Okay, so in 2 years, where I was, okay. So the ratio in which the total sum had been divided must be approximately 1:1, whereas the second scheme should be less than 50%. Okay, less than 50%, and these were the options given to you. So दिस वॉज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 28,000. इसका हाफ अगर हो जाएगा तो 14,000 होगा, और 14,000 से थोड़ा कम आपका आंसर है. ठीक है, 14,000 से थोड़ा कम आंसर है, तो विच ऑप्शन विल गिव यू 14,000 थोड़ा कम? दिस ऑप्शन. Okay, I didn't completely solve this question. I just marked 12,800 and move ahead. Okay, so this is how you should approach the exam. Let's see the next one. Okay, this was again a direct question. No need to use pen also. Two successive discounts of 10% and 5% are equivalent to a single discount of. So यहाँ पर आप successive percentage change का formula लगा लो, a plus b plus ab by 100. Okay, ab by 100. So this will be minus 10 minus 5 plus minus 10 into minus 5 by 100. Okay, so this will give you minus 14.5. This could be solved orally also. So आप orally solve करना चाहिए था, and I remember two options. So 14.5 should be your correct answer. Okay, let's move to the next one. The snap paper was quite easy in terms of difficulty, I would say. The fourth question was on probability. It was again a very basic question. A bag has a total of 108 toys. There are 3 different colors: black, green, white. If a toy is taken out randomly, the probabilities of getting a black and a green are 1 by 3 and 4 by 9. So 1 by 3 ko I could write as 1 by 3 ko I can write as 3 by 9, and this has the probability of 4 by 9. So if I add them, I am getting 7 by 9. So the third probability should be 2 by 9. Okay, so 2 by 9, 2 by 9 should be the third probability. Ek second. Okay, so 2 by 9. So 2 by 9 of 108 should be your answer. So 9 से 9 कट गया. ठीक है, so you'll get 1 and 2. 12 into 2, that is 24 should be your answer. And trust me, this question should be solved orally. Okay, this question should have been solved orally. So this was your fourth question. So as you can see, the level of difficulty was relatively very low. Again, the fifth question, number system based. The sum of the digits of a number is 10. Okay, so if I take a number, take two digits, then their sum should be 10. The difference between the number and a number formed with the same digit, but in the reverse order, is 18. So you can directly write as 9a minus b should be 18. That gives you a minus b as 2. So if you solve this, you will get 2a is equals to 12. That is a is equals to 6. If you get a is equals to 6, then b will be equal to 4. These are your numbers. So number formed will be 46 or 64. We don't know the order. And इनका अगर square करेंगे, so you have to find the value of that square. And options कुछ इस तरह से थे, ठीक है? So I simply checked that this number has to be less than 2500. Okay, because 50 ka square is 2500 and this number has to be less than 2500. Okay, this number has to be less than 2500 and this number has to be greater than 3600. This number has to be greater than 3600. Okay, 3600 plus. So among the option, no option was more than 3600. That means the answer should have been less than 2500. But the options were like this. So how I approached was, मैंने ये 46 के स्क्वायर में 6 और 6 लास्ट डिजिट जो देगा आपको एंड में क्या देगा 6 into 6 36. लास्ट डिजिट विल बी 6. Only one option had the last digit as 6. So I marked this answer 2116. I didn't actually calculate the square of 46. Okay, so this would have been a good way to solve this question. Let's move ahead. The sixth question was based on averages. So this was quite a lengthy question, but if you read this, it was really easy question. Okay, so there are 10 members in a family, 2 grandparents, 2 uncles, 2 aunts, and 4 siblings. Okay, the average age of grandparents is 64, and that of uncles is 42. So 42, 64, and aunts is 38, and the average of the sibling is 16. So you don't really need to use the pen here. Okay, you know that there were 2 grandparents, 2 uncles, 2 aunts, and 4 siblings. So 4 siblings वालों को अलग रख दो, ठीक है? And इनका जो है ना एज उनको ऐड कर लो. 64 plus 42, that is 106. 106 plus 38 will give you 144. So 144 into 2, because all were 2 in numbers, so you get 288. And now you have 16, but they are 4 in number. So 16 into 4 is 64. So 288 plus 64 should be 352. And if you find the average, then 352 by 10 should be the value. So 352 by 10 is 35.2 straight away. Okay, so this is how you should approach. In fact, you should not write that also. This was the question. In the first round, I skipped this question because 4th degree का quadratic था, ठीक है? So I solved it in the second round. So it is asking which of the following is a factor of x raised to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 3. Okay, so treat it as, take x square as alpha, or let's say y. So this equation becomes y square plus 4y plus 3. Okay, and its root will be what? Product should be 3 and sum should be -4. So its root should be -3 and -1. So its factor will be alpha plus 3 and alpha plus 1. Whereas alpha is your x square. So x square plus 3 and x square plus 1 should be your answer. And among the options, x square plus 3 was given. So I marked x plus 3 and x square plus 3, and x square plus 1 was not given. So there was no thing of something like cannot be determined or something. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Okay, yes, this is a very not a good question, because all the options were incorrect, and it kind of certainly resulted in wasting a lot of time for most of the aspirants. See what was in this question. We have 60, 76, and 84 loaves of bread of companies ABC respectively. We have to supply these breads to retail store, so that a store has the bread of just one company, one of the company. So you cannot have a bread of more than one company. Basically, any retail store cannot have a bread of more than one company, and all the store have the same number of loaves. Okay, now what can be the minimum number of stores? So ये typical LCM based question है, ठीक है, LCM based question है. So यहाँ पर आपका LCM आता है 4. Okay, sorry, not LCM, it is HCF based question. So HCF आपका आएगा 4. So HCF अगर 4 ले लिया कॉमन, so you'll get 15 here, you'll get 19 here, you'll get 21 here, add all of them, you'll get 55. But none of the options were 55. I kind of rechecked this answer twice or thrice, and ultimately I marked 31 because it was closest to 55. Maybe I should not have marked it, but the answer is none of the answers were correct. Okay, so this was a wrong question. You can submit to SIBM also. Let's move to the next one. If one of the sides of square is increased by 20% and the other side is decreased by 20% to get a rectangle, what percent of the area of the square will be the rectangle? Okay, very straightforward question. If you take side as 10 of square, so if you increase it by 20%, you'll get 12, and if you decrease it by 20%, you'll get 8. So these are length and breadth of a rectangle. So 12 into 8 gives you 96. Okay, so answer will be 96%, because earlier the area of square would have been 10 ka square, that is 100. So 100 के बाद value जा रहा है 96, so this will be 96%. Okay, so guys, this is how you should approach. Okay, this was again a really good question which could have been solved orally. So the combined age of a mother and daughter duo is 42 years. The product of their ages 5 years back was 60 years. Okay, what is the present age of mother? So present age of mother पूछा था, यहाँ पर 4 ऑप्शन थे आपके पास. So first, second, तो I don't remember, but they were not matching it. So fourth वाला was 40. If I take the I took this value orally. So अगर 40 को मदर का एज ले लोगे तो फिर आपकी डॉटर की एज होगी 2, and 5 years back daughter का एज will be -3, which is not possible. So I rejected this option and I got the fourth option as 35. So if मदर का मैं 35 लेता हूँ तो डॉटर का होगा 7. 5 years back जाएंगे तो मदर का एज will be 30 and डॉटर का will be 7 से -5, that is 2, and 30 into 2 अगर मैं करूंगा तो 60. So 60 बोला था, 60 आ रहा है. So option number D was your correct answer. This question could have been solved within 5 seconds. If अगर आपने equation based approach किया होगा, then I strongly recommend you, those who are going for 9th of January, please try to gauge this, that Snap is Snap wants you to be really smart. Okay, you don't really need to solve all the questions using equations and all. These questions they had given you the options जिसमें आप easily options use करके काफी तेजी से आंसर निकाल सकते थे. Okay, then again this was really एकदम 9th level का question था. Sin 42 divided by cos 48 will be how much? So sin 42 is nothing but cos 48, and cos 48 divided by cos 48 will give you 1. So 1 was the correct answer. Again 5-second question. There was a data interpretation question. एक complete table दिया था, काफी ज़्यादा data था. So in the first round I skipped this question, but once I completed all the question, I came back to this and I found it that there were 4 options. आपको 4 options, मतलब यहाँ पर कुछ 10 states दिए थे, ठीक है, 10 states दिए थे, but option में कुछ तो भी बोला था highest something, एंड वहां पर 4 ऑप्शन दिए थे आपके पास. सो आपको बस वो 10 स्टेट भी नहीं देखना था, आपको सिर्फ 4 ऑप्शन देखने थे. 4 ऑप्शन को चेक करना था. 2018 एंड 19 का कुछ डेटा दिया था. ओके, सो आपको 4 ऑप्शन देखना था, आपको क्लियरली दिख जाता यूपी वुड बी द हाईएस्ट. ओके, सो UP was the correct answer for this question. Cannot replicate this question because it was too lengthy. Log, again, very, like, this is the simplest question from log you can expect in any exam. So log 8 by log 64 will be log 8 by log 8 base 64, and again this will be 1 by 2, because like ये orally हो जाना चाहिए, but if you want me I could write it as log 8, and ये log 8 का square होगा. So this 2 will come this side, this will be 1 by 2. Okay, this 2 will come in denominator. This is a replica of CAT 2019 question. Similar question has been asked in CAT in 2019, I guess slot 2. So the median salaries of 3B school ABC are in ratio 7:6:5 in the year 2019. the median salary of these three B schools are in the ratio of 334 in the year 2020. If the median salary of A increased by 20% from 19 to 20, by what percent did the median salary of B increase? So आपको क्या 19 का दिया है, so I took it as 70, 60 and 50. अगर मैं इसको 20% इंक्रीज कर दूं, yes, that is what given, 64 84 आ जाएगा, एंड ए का रेशियो यहाँ पर एंड बी का रेशियो सेम है, सो 84 और यहाँ पर भी 84 आएगा, सो 60 का 84, दैट इज 24 का इंक्रीज ओवर 60, दिस विल गिव यू 40%. सो अगेन अ रियली इजी क्वेश्चन इफ यू नो द कॉन्सेप्ट, एल्स इफ यू डोंट नो तो आप ये एक्स वगैरह लोगे एंड काफी टाइम वेस्ट करोगे. दिस कुड हैव बीन आइडियली सॉल्व्ड विद इन 30 seconds. So let's move to the next one. Sorry. Oh, okay. Time and work question. And one thing about this question I would like to emphasize on that यहाँ पर आपको ABC का शेयर पूछा था एंड सब में A की वैल्यूज डिफरेंट दी थी. सो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको सिर्फ A की अगर वैल्यू निकाल लेते तो आपका पूरा क्वेश्चन इजीली सॉल्व हो जाता. सो लेट्स सी. A एंड B कैन फिनिश योर वर्क इन 10 days एंड 15 days रिस्पेक्टिवली. सो हम LCM मेथड लगाएंगे, ठीक है, एंड टोटल वर्क वुड हैव बीन 30 because LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. So if A is doing work in 10 days, so he's doing plus 3 unit per day, and similarly B is doing plus 2 unit per day. Now they together work on it for 5 days, so A must have done 3 unit per day into 5 days, that is 15 units. Out of 30 units he has done 15 units. 15 by 30, that is 1 by 2, that is 50% of the work he has done. That's why his share will be 50% of the total share, and total amount given was 450, so 50% will be 225. Only one option had A ka value 225, so mark this and move ahead. No need to look at any other thing. Okay. Okay, this was a series question. I left this in the first round, but I later went to it in the second round, and I basically proceeded in the backward manners because it was easy to see. Okay, so 11 into 88 simply gives you that it is something into 8. Now if something into 8, I tried this logic that this has to be multiplied by 8, but I didn't want to calculate this, so I just checked the last digit. So 6 and 4, so 6 into 8 will give you 48, so last digit should be 8, but here it is 4. That means the logic is not followed here, but I again checked this, so I got here that last digit was 4, and into 8 if I take, so 4 into 8 should give you 32, last digit should be 2, and here the last digit was 2. So so in this question I tried something कि क्या होगा, but I couldn't solve it because यहाँ पर consistency नहीं थी. But later after the exam when I tried to solve this, then the logic was simple. Into 8, and here it has to be into 9, and here it has to be into 8, and likewise. So multiplied by 8, multiplied by 9, multiplied by 8, multiplied by 9, likewise. Okay, and I basically marked it and move ahead. So this was 16th question. Let's move to the next one. Again, yes. So this was, I would say, one of the difficult question in the exam, one of the few difficult questions in the exam, because see, P makes a profit of 12% on a transaction. Had he bought the article at 10% less and sold it for 4% less, by what percent his profit percent would have increased? So this question had some really close options, plus this question had was calculation intensive. I remember 3 options, and if I try to solve this, and P makes a profit of 12% on the transaction. So if let's say cost price was 100, so selling price would have been 112. Had he bought the article at 10% less, so cost price should go by 10 go down by 10%, that is 90, and sold it for 4% less. So इसका 4% less करना था आपको. So 112 का 4% less, that is 1.12 into 4, 4.48. So you will get 100 and what 4.48 ना, ठीक है, 4.100 107.52. Okay, so you have to see the profit percent in this case. In this case the profit percent was 12%, and in this case the profit percent would have been what, मैंने ये ट्राई किया था 90 पे आपको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है 17.52 का. आई अप्रोक्सीमेटेड इट एंड इट केम आउट अराउंड व्हाट 98, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 20% से थोड़ा कम. ओके, एंड नाउ इफ आई सी 20% से 12% से 20% अगर जा रहा है, so how much had been the increase? So since the options were so close, I left it midway, okay, and I didn't solve, but the correct answer was 62.25. 62.25 was the correct answer for this question. And 18th question, linear equation based. So A is 2 times B and B is 2 times C. The average of the reciprocals of A, B and C is 7 by 12. What is the value of A? So once you read this question, you should understand, you should basically go backwards, C, B and A. If I take C as 1, so B is 2 times C, so B should be 2, and A is 2 times of B, that means A should be 4. Okay, and let's take X here because we should take X. And so what is saying, the average of the reciprocals of A, B and C. So reciprocal, its reciprocal will be 1 by 1x, इसका 1 by 2x, इसका 1 by 4x. If you add all of them, what you'll get? 4 LCM आपका आ गया, 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. So 7x by 4 is equal to 7x by 4 is the sum of A plus B plus C. And if you take the average, so average will be 7x by 4 into 3, that is 7x by 12, and this is given to you as 7 by 12 itself. So that simply means x is equals to 1. So your numbers will be 4, A will be 4, B will be 2, and C will be 1. So what is the value of A? Answer is 4. Okay. What is the value of sine 45 and tan 45? Again, ninth level maths question. Sine for tan 45 we know as 1. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. If you add both of them, you will get LCM will be root 2. So 1 plus root 2 by root 2 is your correct answer. Very, very easy question. And this is again a good question. There is a cube of age 8 centimeter cube immersed in a vessel of rectangular base of some dimension. And I don't really remember the values, but you basically have to multiply the volume of, you just have to take the volume of cube divided by whatever the dimension given to you of the rectangle. And if you solve this, you will get 32 by 15. So this was the correct answer. I don't really remember the complete question. Okay. So this has been from my side. And thank you so much. If you like this video, please comment. If you want more such videos for upcoming exams, then we would be really glad to share our insights. And please let us know in the comment section. Apart from that, one thing I would also like to discuss here is in logic. Since in logic section, it is very difficult to remember all the questions. So for those who are going for snap on their 9th of January, I would like to tell them is कि इस paper में like some set had 2 questions. Okay, some set had 2 questions, like there was a direction sense question. So first question was on 10th number and second question of that set was on 21st or let's say 18th number. So there was not consistency among the number question order of the questions, but the better way would have been to just skip the longer question. Skip करोगे longer question, आपके मान लो 25 क्वेश्चन है, आपने ऐसे जो दो दो क्वेश्चन के सेट हैं वो एक साथ नहीं है, ऑर्डर में सेम ऑर्डर में नहीं है, तो आप स्किप करते जाओ. Towards the end you'll have some 4-5 questions as mark for review, and once you go through them तो आपको दिखेगा 10th question and 21st question are both the same, but the thing asked in both of them are different. But that will be give you a very clear idea that yes, this could be solved and this could be really solved really fast. Okay, so ये चीज मैंने की थी and I found it कि चलो भाई इन लोगों ने जो ट्रैप खेला था that didn't work with me because मैं यहाँ पर स्किप करते गया था. जो भी लंबा क्वेश्चन था स्किप करते जाओ, पहले इजी इजी 1 लाइनर 2 लाइनर क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करो एंड ट्रस्ट मी आप you will be able to solve all the 25 questions of LR. And for quant also, I could basically solve approximately 18 questions in 12 minutes. ठीक है, so this should be your speed. If आप इसको भी इससे भी ज्यादा तेज कर सकते हो तो definitely आप करो. And trust me, आपका ये जो पेपर है that would get over around in 45 minutes if you are fast with your calculations and all. So that's all what I wanted to share. Thank you so much. And in case if you want to join for any of our programs, so these are the numbers of all the centers. We have shortcuts workshop and mocks books as well as e-classes that are running currently. So thank you so much, guys, and please tell me how you like the video. Thank you so much. This is Anup signing off.